Well, I've been out here just about all day, and I got one long section completely dug out. I had to switch up tactics on digging these trenches out and clean the little loose stuff out. I was trying to use that little red handled hoe over there. That thing just took me forever, so I went and found my post hole digger, and the post hole digger's got enough weight and power to it and the right size that when I drop it down in the hole and all, I could clean all that garbage out of there. Get all the gravel out and set it off to the side, and then take a flat shovel and scoop it into the bucket of the little tractor and haul it out of there. And I got all of this done all the way around to where the little carport's going to be. And I went ahead and stopped there because I've got to start cleaning this out. It's supposed to rain real hard tonight. That'll give it a little bit of moisture and it'll soften some of this up temporary, but it won't last long. So I'll get out here tomorrow and see if I can dig this little trench out right here and get it all the way down to this one side. And I found that I'm going to have 3 Ys to connect the pipe right here, and then right here, and then another junction right there. And I went in Lowe's yesterday. I was looking for some other stuff, and I went back there and priced those Ys. And back years ago, probably, I don't know, 10 years ago, they were $7. Well, I had a heart attack and a stroke at the same time when I saw that they are asking $18.83 for one now. I couldn't believe that. So I'm going to see if I can find something online. I found some pieces last time for the 3-inch pipe, and they were like $4.55 or something like that. So I'm gonna definitely go back to that same place and see if they got any deals on that, because I am totally opposed to paying almost $20 for one little piece of plastic. It's about ridiculous. It's just pure corporate greed. I'm about sick of it. I can't do much about it. So that's it today. I'm out of breath. I'm sure you can probably tell it by the way I'm talking and breathing. Having a heart problem doesn't help any. But goes with the program. At least I didn't have COVID and didn't have to take none of the vaccines or boosters, so I don't have to worry about dying from that. People I know are dying and dropping like flies all around me from that mess. So I think they accomplished their goals with that, whatever that was. I did get in the greenhouse in there this morning before it got too warm in there and cleaned it out. It looks like it's 95 in there right now, so now is not a good time to go in there, but I got one side completely cleaned out. I just got to sweep the floor up in there and then take a hose and wet the plastic flooring down and hose that out. Probably have to take a mop in there and get it mopped a little bit and cleaned up. But as soon as I get some cow manure that I'm waiting on, I'm going to go ahead and plant my tomatoes and get tomatoes going. And I'm going to plant some different things this year, try and get a little more variety and see what happens. So that's it in a nutshell. Me and my boss man there, he's happy. He seems to be pleased with my work, so I'm going to call it a day. I hope you all had a good Monday. We will talk to you all later. Bye.